We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's go and practice step 4. We'll start basic on 1, slow. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Yeah, I know you are. Let's go. Tap, step, tap to the side. Tap, step, tap to the side. Basic. Let's go again. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 4 and 8. Let's go. Last time slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Get ready to full speed. Let's go. 1 basic. And let's go. Basic. Let's go. One more time. Basic. Last time. Let's go. Yeah. The more you practice, the better you get. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Let's go. Are you ready? Yeah, I know you are. Let's go. Tap, step, tap to the side. Tap, step, tap to the side, and basic. And don't miss the masa tip at the end. Let's go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Last time slow. Looking good. Yeah. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. Full speed. 1 basic. Go. Let's go. Doing great. Basic. Second time. Basic. Last time. Let's go. Now let's practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Basic on 2 slow. And then just start with your right. Tap with the right. Tap with the right, step with the right, tap. Tap with the left, step with the left, tap. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same. Let's go. One more time. 1, 5. Let's go. Basic. Notice that you don't use the 4 and 8. Same as on 1. Let's go. Last time slow. Get ready, full speed. Basic on 2, go. 1. Let's go. Basic again. Let's go. Second time. Yeah, basic. Last time. Yeah, getting better. Repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Are you ready? Let's go. With the right. 1, 2, 3. Tap, step, tap. Basic. And don't miss the masa tip at the end. Let's go. One more time. 1, 5. Let's go. Basic. Last time slow. Looking good. Yeah. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And get ready to do it faster. 1 basic. Go. And let's go. Basic. Let's go. One more time. Yeah. Basic. Let's go. Last time. Now let's practice face to face. I'll flip the screen so you can follow along. Continue basic on 2 slow. And let's go 3 in a row. Let's go. Starting with the right. Tap, step, tap. Now with the left. Tap, step, tap. One more. No basic. Tap. Tap. Let's go. Last time slow. Get ready. Full speed. 1 basic on 2. Let's go. 1. Now 3 in a row, fast. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Second time. And third time. Yeah, basic. Now let's do everything. Yes, on one. Basic on one, slow. Let's go. And let's start with the left. Let's go. Tap, step, tap, tap, step, tap. No basic. With the left and with the right. One more time. Get ready to full speed. One basic on one. Let's go. And 3 in a row. Go. Second time. Yeah. Last time. Well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good, it is the thing you do that makes you good. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: play with angles to create different variations.